When working through these tutorials, you will see how the sell from stock process has multiple dependent sequential steps. The process starts with the creation of a standard customer sales order. The demand of the product is checked against inventory released by the shipping specialist and shipped to the customer. Once the product quantities are shipped, the physical quantity of the order is recorded in the system. The goods issue is posted, revenue is recognized, and the cost of goods sold is recorded in financial accounting. When the goods are delivered, they can be invoiced. If necessary, a preliminary billing document can be created from the billing due list and aligned with the customer. Final documents can then be created for settlement. The business benefits of this process are to perform an availability check when the order is entered, determine the shipping point automatically, create a billing document, and to make postings to FI and CO. The key process flows covered in the tutorials for this process are to create a sales order, print an order confirmation, create a delivery, execute picking, post a goods issue, and create a billing document. You can explore the tutorials at your own pace to learn more about each step.